dust, mold, mildew, bacteria, allergens, and other airborne contaminants are no match for XPOWER's complete line of commercial-grade air scrubbers. Offering 3- and 4-stage filtration systems for thorough air purification, you can trust XPOWER air scrubbers to perform in even the most challenging water damage and mold restoration job sites. All units feature a high-torque external rotor induction motor to generate powerful airflow while creating negative air pressure to prevent cross-contamination. A variable speed control switch provides a full range of speeds for quiet operation and adjustable airflow control. Available in a variety of models for custom applications, choose from XPOWER's Daisy Chainable X3400A, Odor Eliminating X3500, Covered Exterior X3700, and Clean Pro X 3300. Lightweight and stackable, XPOWER air scrubbers are easily transportable. The multiple stage filtration systems ensure filter efficiency and long life. A convenient red light indicates when to clean or replace filters. XPOWER is your source for powerful, effective, and reliable air purification solutions for even the most challenging job sites.